girls, I have a dilemma. I told my friends that I was gonna plan the party of the summer, and I'm not gonna lie, I am not prepared. I want to make this really authentic to myself and original, so obviously I have to customize everything on Picsart. If you guys want to have a bomb summer party, don't be like the other girls. Personalize it as much as you can. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to plan the best summer party. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but those red solo cups that you see at parties that tells you the status of your relationship, I think that's perfect because not only do I love playing matchmaker at my own parties for my friends, but I want to be matched. So today we are going to customize our own solo cups. I'm so excited for this. As I'm sure a lot of you guys know, I am notorious for my avocado meme sticker, which by the way, if you want a separate tutorial on how to make your own avocado sticker, link is down below. What I did for this is I just took a sticker of a red solo cup. This is really me more so mapping how I want my solo cups to look. I went into add photos and took the avocado sticker of me and I selected just my face. Like, look how cute that is. Then I went into text and typed in single AF. You can do it's complicated, you can do heartbroken, whatever your relationship status might be. This is such a fun way to personalize your own red solo cups while also having a fun little game automatically. I don't know about you guys, but the way that my friends and I do it is we always post something on our IG stories to see who wants to come to the party before we send out the invites. We have a bunch of cute prompts to choose from, so I just went into prompts and typed in summer. I really liked the blue and pink look going on, but I replaced the text to say summer party, and I was not really feeling the sandals because I feel like it just has nothing to do with my party. I was thinking more of a pool floaty because it will be a pool party, so I used the remove tool to remove that sandal. And then I typed in pool floaty and found this really cute pink flamingo. I chose this because it ties in perfectly with the pink and the blue already. And boom, there you have it. This is such a cute Instagram story to post to see who wants to go to your party. If you have no friends, someone might not slide up, and it's just so much more personal than a generic black background with white text. Like, we're not doing that, okay? And now obviously we have to plan the actual party invitations. If you're like me, you have no artistic creativity, which is ironic because I work for Picsart. So I'm gonna go into prompts again. I typed in summer party and I found this really cute drink prompt. And I thought this was so cute. And the great thing with our prompts is all you have to do to customize it to your own party or whatever you're using our prompts for is to just change the text, and that's really it. I just changed it so that it would say summer's here, Olivia's summer party. You can have the date, whatever that you want, all the details down below as well. And there you have it. Like, imagine printing these out and sending them out to people. Like, that is so cute. And the last part to planning a bomb party is obviously the playlist. Having a good playlist can truly make or break a party. Now, I'm not going to show you guys how to make a playlist because I like to gatekeep my music taste, okay? But I will show you guys how to customize your own playlist cover, which I have been doing for our Spotify account. Oh my god, you guys have a Spotify account? Yes, go follow us down below. I went into AI image and typed in bamboo hut on beach with wooden sign. I had an image, okay? I chose the one that I liked, but it already had some text on it and I needed that to go. So I used the remove tool to remove all of that text, and automatically image is so much more crisp. Then I went into text and typed in summer party playlist. I'm just gonna put that where the text originally was. I think this is such a cute way to customize your own Spotify playlist covers, which I feel like not a lot of people do, but it's so fun and so easy. So when people at your party are like, oh my god, your music taste is so amazing, can I have the playlist? You can be like, oh my god, sure. And they're gonna be like, oh my god, that cover is so cute. Where did you make that? And you can say, Picsart. I don't know about you guys, but my party is pretty much set. Make sure to tag us on our social media accounts linked down below if you guys end up recreating any of these ideas, because I want to see how you guys take your own spin on planning a summer party using Picsart. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.